So I'm Elizabeth Admirand. I work for Epizyme in Cambridge, Massachusetts. My job has changed quite a bit over the last 5 years that I've been there. I started out doing sample management, then moved into some biochemistry assays, and now I do a lot of database integration. I sourced my sample management software with Mosaic because we were growing as a company. Once we entered the clinical stage, we found that our research pipeline really needed some more reliable software for tracking all of our samples. So this will allow us to really look at both our compound management uses as well as our biological management. We had a number of problems with our existing system that we needed to address. For starters, we weren't tracking any of our biological samples, and that was something we really wanted to do as we expand our pipeline. On the compound management side, for our lead discovery efforts, we weren't getting an accurate inventory, so we went forth with a whole project to really make sure that we could start with an accurate system, and now we can move forward and be much more successful. We did look at a number of different suppliers for our software. This was about a 2-year process that we did a lot of vetting, and ultimately Mosaic was the one that was the fully validated system. We trusted the process, we could really customize it to be how we needed it to be for our company, and I think we'll be able to move forward really well. The implementation has been flawless. When we first started, we were trying to integrate from one system that did our registration, our inventory, and our data analysis to 4 different systems, with Mosaic being the inventory component of that. So we had Tim in the UK as our project manager. He was always answering our questions. He was always dealing with my countless emails, and we've been able to integrate it with the other systems. We more recently bought a compound from TTP, and we just did the database integration with that. Everything is smooth sailing. We're going to start loading all of our compounds into there this week, and we're going to be ready to go. So we're using Mosaic for a number of different things. We actually have different systems that are integrated, like the TTP compound, but we also have 2 Titian Evos that we chose to not integrate at this time. This was really more because we do a lot of outsourcing, so there's different steps in the process that made it a little bit easier for us to go offline in that mode. However, we do a lot of weighing and compound management as well, so we have actually integrated both of our scales for the first time. We've never had that in the past 7 years. So then on the other side, we're going to start working with the biological tracking. They won't be integrated with those freezers, but even still, we've never been able to track them before, and now we can.